Okay, now we need to put the strips around the outside to finish protecting this. I am going to cut little tiny angles. They aren't real big. Let's see if I can get it to, you can see there's just a little tiny angle on each side. Just fold it in half and don't cut into the fold, cut to the outside of the fold because you need the length on these to cover your project. And you're going to want 2 for the bottom, one for the front, one for the back, and 1 for each side. So be sure, and again, we usually line my pieces up, make sure I cut the right size. Okay, so we're going to be putting them on. We're going to do this one. Okay, this one is going to go on here, the length of the bottom. Ooh, look at there. It doesn't even want to fit. It's okay. It's because this box is actually 12 inches inside. But that's okay. Whoops. It will work just fine because the other one's going to overlap it. Okay. Okay, so there's that one. And I'm going to put this one on here this way. And then once I get them all on, then I go around the box and burnish it. Just because it's easier that way. Okay, now I got to do the sides. And just keep in mind that any trunk is built with the same idea. The only difference is what you do inside of it. This one holds 2 books. I've made them a little bit smaller that hold one book and a tray. I've made it bigger like this. It doesn't hold any books. It's just a tray inside for a treasure chest type trunk. So they don't all, the assemblage is the same. The pieces may be different is all. And the sizes of the pieces. Okay. So there's the bottom. Now see, everything on this box is covered with black on the corners. So when you mat your papers and put your papers on them, you won't see all of this. And you'll have a nice black border all the way around. Okay? Now, that finishes the trunk bottom. Your dividers are in. Your paper is all covered. See, everything is there. It's all done. So now I'm going to stop this and I'll start up another one in just a minute.